Differential equations, 2005, question 10a. So this is a first order differential equation where we're asked to solve the differential equation given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. So again, we want to try and get our y terms on the left and our x terms on the right. So we have x dy dx minus xy minus y equals 0. So I have xy plus y, and then I can take out my y as being common, leaving me with x plus 1. And now if I divide both sides across by xy, then I will get 1 over y is equal to x plus 1 over x. And if I multiply both sides across by dx, I've now separated out my x and my y terms. So now if I integrate both sides, so I'm going to integrate the left with respect to y and integrate the right with respect to x. But I'm actually going to simplify the right-hand side there because we, again, don't have a quotient rule for integration. So x will go into x once, and then we have x will not divide into 1, so we're left with 1 over x. Okay, so what are our limits? Well, our start limits, well, we're told that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. And then at the end, we're not told anything, so our limits will be x and y. Our end limits are our upper limits, and our start limits are our lower limits. So if I integrate 1 over y, well, again, we can see on page 26 of our maths tables that when we integrate 1 over x, we get natural log of x. So if I integrate 1 over y with respect to y, we're going to get natural log of y, and our limits are y and 1. If I integrate 1 with respect to x, I get x, and if I integrate 1 over x with respect to x, I get natural log of x. So subbing in my limits of x and 1. So if I sub in my limits on the left, I have natural log of y minus natural log of 1 is equal to x plus natural log of x minus 1 plus natural log of 1. And of course, natural log of 1 is equal to 0. So therefore the left is going to be natural log of y, and the right then will be x plus natural log of x minus 1. So we need to bring our logs to the left-hand side. And then I can apply my log rules. So I'm subtracting logs here. So again, my log rules, if I'm subtracting, means that I will divide. So that's going to be natural log of y over x is equal to x minus 1. And then I'm changing from logs to exponentials. So the top right-hand corner here on page 21 in our maths tables, we can see that my base natural log of y over x can be written as log y over x to the base e. So that base e is now going to become the number raised to the power being x minus 1. So in other words, we have y over x is equal to e to the power of x minus 1. And therefore, if I multiply both sides across by x, I get x times e to the power of x minus 1. Okay, so again, we have 5 for setting up our integrand, 5 for integrating, 5 for subbing in our limits and tidying up, and then 5 for our answer.